So, can you actually do social media marketing? Let's talk about it. Who am I? My name is Tim Manning, and in this short video, I want to attempt to go into one of the things that I don't think a lot of people actually realize when trying to build a business online. Now, I wanted to go into some of the key elements in making sure you're going about it the right way. Now, if you're a more established business, meaning you've been in business full time for a minimum of a year, you may want to actually check out the video that I've created, and I'll place it up here somewhere. Reason being is you're probably gonna already know some content that I'm about to convey to you in this video, but you feel free to watch it. But I think it'll be more helpful if you actually watch the video that I place somewhere above here, because it's a little bit more advanced. But the question is, can you do social media marketing, right? What do I mean by can you do it? Well, the thing is, social media marketing is not just about opening accounts, right? And posting content. Now, that is a part of it, right? But I want to use the analogy of a retail store, right? A retail store that has a brick and mortar location, right? It takes the owner to spend so much money to actually get a lease, well, on a monthly basis, having a lease on this particular building, even if the building is in a high trafficked location, right? Meaning that foot traffic or car traffic is going by this location on a daily basis. A lot of people fail to realize that social media marketing is similar to a retail location, right? A physical brick and mortar location. So what do I mean by that? The deception is that people will, and this is, I'm placing myself in the owner's shoes, right? The deception is people will find me, right, on their own, even if I am in a good location, right? I.e., the analogy I'm using with the retail location. So it's like, well, I got a Facebook page, I got an IG page, an Instagram page. They'll automatically find me even when I'm posting, right? And that's one of the major deceptions that many people have starting out. And so that's why I leave you with the question of, can you do it, right? Not the ability, but as far as it being effective, right? Now, I placed the link in the description that you want to actually check out to really help you be more effective, whether you're doing it or you're hiring somebody else to do it. Because one of the things that you have to realize is that just like any business, it's all about the numbers, right? And if you're not looking at the right numbers, you'll just be doing activity and it not actually go to your ultimate goal, right? And the ultimate goal is to make money, right? So don't confuse activity with productivity, right? So, but anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. If you like content like this, I'll definitely try to create some more videos. But check out the link in the description after you subscribe, and I'll make sure that you get the necessary things that you need to do in order to make sure you're doing social media marketing the right way. All right, check you out, and I'll actually see you in the next one. Peace.